It is August and the agapanthus on my terrace are now in full flower. I just love these exotic looking flowers. The last couple of days we've had some lovely sunny days, but also a lot of rain. I already clipped the yew hedge on the right side, but I still have to do the ones on the left side. With the busy borders, I like it when the hedges have clean and crisp lines. Along the main path, the roses are flowering together with the cosmos, lavender and alyssums. I really love the plants that I added into the borders, like the Agapanthus and the Agapanthus. I've also added a pink veronica. The color matches with the soft pink of the cosmos cupcake. The color of the anemones work very well with the soft pinks of the dahlias and cosmos. I couldn't resist picking a small bouquet for in the house. I think it looks very sweet. In the border at the back of my garden, the flowers of the hydrangea Annabelle faded to green, and the dahlias start to flower. I just love the color scheme of the greens with the soft pinks, whites and a splash of blue and orange. These are my honey tomatoes and they were grown from seeds taken out of tomatoes from the supermarket and are doing incredibly well. They bear a lot of fruits and they were the first ones to ripen. After a long period of drought, all of a sudden we got a lot of rain and that sudden change in watering causes the tomatoes to split. So now I have to harvest and eat them as quickly as possible. These are very sweet and tasty tomatoes and I highly recommend growing them. All you have to do is buy a few from the supermarket, take the seeds out and sow them into your garden. It is as easy as that. Look at these beautiful tomatoes. Look at this beautiful harvest. I will leave the ones that haven't splitted yet to ripen a little bit more, but I will enjoy these and yeah, can't resist. Very, very sweet and tasty. Highly recommend growing them. My climbing beans are doing extremely well. Look at all these lovely beans. I have 2 different types and there's still a lot more to come, so I'm definitely going to enjoy some lovely beans the coming days. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you ever so much for watching and please subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you next time.